Wayne here, and a big welcome to the Mega Link. The link that ties the whole of OLSP system together. Okay, and it's your gateway to making commissions with OLSP. I'm very excited that you've joined us. Now, maybe you've done something like this before, or maybe you haven't, and both are fine. Maybe you are experienced in affiliate marketing, or you're brand new. It simply doesn't matter, because the Mega Link is unlike anything you've seen before. And all of my successful students start off where you are right now. They began their journey with the Mega Link. Now, if you're wondering about me, my name is Wayne Crow. I am a super affiliate who's made well over $15 million online working from the back cave. I used to have a factory job many years ago, and I just wanted to find a way where I could support my family, go on holidays, do the things that we wanted to do. And it just so happened that affiliate marketing was it. And I developed the Mega Link and OLSP, the system you're in right now, to help people just like you. Because when I started, it was very hard. It was very difficult. And I wanted people to have a shortcut to what I went through. Okay, and I want to give people an easier way to earn more affiliate commissions than you thought were possible. How awesome is that? Because I'm excited. Now, with my coaching and training, I've even helped people earn up to $1 million in their first year. Okay, whilst that result definitely is not typical, it just shows you what can be done at the top end by our top students. Now, your first step before going into the rest of the training is to join our Mega Link group. Okay, this is where I share tips, tactics, strategies, and loads of cool stuff personally myself inside a private group. Okay, so if you click the link below this video right now, go and click it right now, it will take you to our Mega Link group. Now, here we are in our brand new shiny Mega Link group. Okay, now before you join, you need to answer 3 questions. Okay, make sure you answer them. If you don't answer those questions, we will not let you in. Okay, so you must answer those questions so that we know you are a Mega Link user. Okay, very, very important. Now, when you come in, you can join the group. Okay, you can start going through and you'll see loads of posts by me. Okay, you'll see lots and lots of posts by me. Now, the important thing is, guys, every time I go live or I post, you want to make sure you see it so you don't miss anything. So what you need to do is when you join, by the magnifying glass, there's these 3 little dots. Okay, so you want to open that up. Okay, and then you want to click on Manage Notifications, and it will pop this window up. Okay, and at the top here, you'll see it will say In-App Notifications. Okay, you want to make sure you click All Posts, like so. Okay, and then you will get every post I do, you will get alerted up when you're on Facebook. Okay, so make sure you follow that to not miss anything. And once you've joined and everything's set up, go through and start looking through all of the knowledge bombs, all the tips and tricks that I share to help you along your journey, and hopefully you can become one of my first 100 affiliates. It could be brand new affiliates looking to make their first $100,000 online. Okay, that's my goal. That is my mission to myself. I want to help 100 affiliates earn the first 6 figures online. So hopefully I can help you on that goal. Now, after you've done that and you've joined the Facebook group, you've done an important step where I share everything. Okay, come back to this page, make sure you've done it, then go through all of the training for your Mega Link. We tell you what's important. We start getting you started on the important steps you need to take, and we get you involved with the community as a whole, because we have the most awesome community there is. So make sure you've joined the Facebook group. Make sure you click so you see all posts. Very important. Make sure you go through all the content that's in there, and then start going through this training, guys, and let's crush it together. Maybe you'll be one of those first 100 affiliates who I personally will help coach towards their first 6 figures. See you in the next video.